Amazon mystery boxes worth it. Amazon mystery boxes are worth it. What are Amazon mystery boxes? Basically, when you're buying online on Amazon, you've probably come across a listing like this, which is a mystery box. You don't know what's going to be inside until you open it. It could be cool stuff or it could be total junk, but people buy them hoping to get lucky and get something worth their money. So Amazon mystery box is worth it. Let's talk about it in this video, and feel free to leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below. So a mystery box on Amazon basically means you don't know what you are going to get. You don't know what's going to be inside. It's like buying something blindfolded. You are not sure what you are going to find inside. And these boxes can cost anywhere between $10 and $100, some even more. Some sellers offer discounts like 50% off just to make it look like an amazing deal so that people buy these mystery boxes. Most of the boxes are filled with leftover stuff, returns, overstock, or cheap promo items. Some people got cool things like Bluetooth speakers, toys, others got bags, keychains, and random junk. So some people actually also say they've bought these mystery boxes and they got nothing, like total junk, and basically they will never buy them again. Some people actually love buying these mystery boxes because they are almost like having a surprise. That's the fun part of it. Risking your $15, for example, with this listing, you are risking your $15 not knowing what's going to be in there. It might be a waste of your money, your $15, or it might be something actually worth more than $15, which means you actually have fun trying to figure out what's inside this mystery box. So if you want one, check the seller reviews first. That is what I'm going to say. If you want to buy a mystery box, before you buy the mystery box, just go to the seller and just go through the reviews first. Some sellers are shady and they basically don't tell you what's inside, but from the reviews you can tell whether that is a good seller or not before you actually buy. But just remember, mystery boxes are like surprises. If you don't mind losing your money, go for it. If you value your money and every dollar counts for you, don't buy these mystery boxes. Have you bought these mystery boxes before? Leave your thoughts and comments in the comment section below.